Okay, so it's 3:43 in the morning, and this is what I wake up to. I don't know if you could see this, but right at the front of my driveway, one of the big tall trees just snapped and took down, it landed right in Shepherd Road, and the utility trucks are doing their best to try to clean it up. And I can only imagine what this is going to mean for me. But it's already making a hell of a mess. So I can just imagine. So I'm just going to be recording this just so we can see what's happening, because yeah. But apparently the wind was enough to just snap that tree right now.